Welcome to the Intertech Warrior IT Fast Track Implementation Program. In this program, we've got three main goals. To get you to believe that you could be a network administrator, to give you the skills to be a network administrator, to get you your first network administrator job so you can have a better work-life balance and a higher paying career. And there are a few key elements that you'll need to make it to those goals. The first key is accountability. That's why we have a community built into the program. As part of the community, we expect you to share your wins and challenges so that you can help and encourage one another as you continue through the program. Receiving likes, comments, or replies on your posts provides you with points. Points help you level up in a community. As you level up, you will unlock access to bonuses. Points also get you on the leaderboards. We will also provide prizes to the top 5 community members on the leaderboards each month. All of these features are meant to help keep you motivated and accountable. We also require and expect you to have self-accountability. We have a checklist that you can copy to your Google Drive, which you can use to track your progress. There will also be various parts of this program where you have to submit your work to be reviewed. The second key you'll need to make it to your goals is support. So, as I mentioned, you'll have to submit your work to be reviewed at various points. We also ask that you review the work of others in the community as well. That is so we can help correct any issues you may have and so that you can reinforce the lessons of each assignment by being the reviewer as well. Scientists call this the protege effect, in which they found students that teach or tutor others score higher than other students that only try to learn themselves. We will also answer questions you post to the community or ask during Q&A calls or during our office hours. The office hours will be posted in the community so you'll know when we'll get to your questions. We will also host regular Q&A calls with the Intertech Warrior team, which will also address any questions or challenges you may have. You, your friends in the community, and a growing Intertech Warrior team are all here to help provide support and accountability. We're here to help you find any bottlenecks or problems in your career transition journey so that we can help you get past it. The third key is an identity shift. If you don't believe you can do something, you will never do it. That's why I'm going to stress the importance of shifting your identity to a network administrator now. We'll build up your skills so that you'll have the facts to support that you're a network administrator, but even before then, I want you to start seeing yourself as a network admin. You have to let the old you die so that you can become the new you. So that means you need to let your identity as whatever your current job is die before you can become a network admin. When I was still patrolling the streets of Harlem, I had already begun disassociating my identity from police officers and associating myself with technologists, IT professionals, and network administrators already in my mind. It's that belief that will get you past the hard beginning. Whenever you learn a new skill, you'll feel it's very hard to understand and you may feel like giving up. But that's because your brain has to connect neurons in a new way through synaptogenesis. Essentially, your brain rewires itself to understand a topic over time. The more you expose yourself to the topic, the easier it will become as those neurons connect. That's why you need to believe you are a network admin before you start learning. Because in the beginning, it'll be hard and you may want to quit. But if you know in your heart of hearts that you are a network admin, then you'll keep going. And if you ever lose focus or motivation to think of yourself as a network admin, use the pain your current situation is giving you, the family holidays you're missing, the lack of sleep, the anxiety and the dread. Twist that knife in your back, accentuate that pain to keep you pushing towards your goal. Or you can imagine how much better life will be once you're in a well-balanced and higher-paying IT career to pull you towards your goal and identity. Use whichever tool works best for you in the moment to keep you moving towards your new identity. And as you push forward, your brain will rewire. You'll understand it better. You'll complete the hands-on labs, and then you'll have proof of being a network admin, and things will continue to get easier and easier as you continue to expose yourself to network admin activities. This program has 3 pieces to it. First, there's the initial knowledge and hands-on lab work. And then once you graduate from that course, you move on to the professional networking course. The professional networking course's main goal is to leverage your current network and market yourself to other professionals to get some job referrals. After getting some referrals from the professional networking course, you'll move on to the interview prep course. The interview prep course is there to help you to ace the interviews you receive so you can complete your career transition and move into the network administrator position you've been training for. So to recap, you must believe you are a network admin now before you start. Make sure to engage in the community so you can ask any questions and have the support you need. Leverage the community and your own self-accountability to stay on track. Using those 3 keys and following this program, you will have the belief that you could be a network administrator, get the skills to be a network administrator, and get your first network administrator job so you can have a better work-life balance and a higher paying career. And the program, again, is broken down into 3 sections. There's the IT Fast Track course, which is what you're watching now. Then there's the professional networking course, which is next, and then the interview prep course. Make a copy of the checklist, engage and introduce yourself in the community, make sure you ask questions, get some points, and check the calendar to join the Q&A calls. Let's get started with the program. Move on to the next step.